Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create console application for calculating folder size. This will be Maven project run on Windows 10. To follow along you will need Eclipse and Java 1.8. Let's go briefly through our program. Our main function will be calculateFolderSize, which takes 3 parameters. First parameter is our root directory, second tells us on which level we print folders or files. Third parameter is file, in which we show our results, file paths with calculated file sizes. We also created 3 helper functions. First is called deep from base, which tells us how far from root directory file is located. For example, our root folder is called map1, and in that map1 we have another folder called map2, this will return number 1. Second function is called belong to parent, which takes hashmap and 2 files as parameters. This function returns path of parent, otherwise it returns null. Third is called file size converter, which takes long as parameter. Bytes are then converted into appropriate unit like kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes and so on. Let's return back to our main function and explain a bit what it does. In first step we check if we want to create store file or not. In next step we create stack of files with first element being root folder. Next we create hashmap, which key will be file path and the value will be calculated folder or file size. We create a loop which will run till stack contains files. In loop we call function called pop, which will give us first folder or file. If file is type of file we calculate file size, otherwise we add all files, folders to stack. When we're done with operations in loop we sort sizes of paths in hashmap from largest to the smallest and then we print result on screen. If stored file is defined we write result also there. At the very end we display total size, which is the size of all folders and files in root directory. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Wish you all good day.